Welcome to the VGS Protocol Import and Export tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev Team. This tutorial will show you how to share sampling or survey protocols from your device to another device. Importing and exporting allows users to share the same protocol across multiple devices without having to recreate the protocol on each individual device. All VGS protocol files have a suffix of .vgsp.
From the VGS main screen, select the Setup menu button and open the Protocol Manager. A list opens which displays all protocols currently available in your database. Above the list are actions you can take to modify your list. To import a protocol, choose the Export/Import button, then select Import Protocol to open the Import Protocol Definition file window. Navigate to the desired protocol and select Open. A notification displays that the import is complete. Your new protocol is now listed in the Protocol Manager. Protocols can only be imported one at a time.
To export a protocol to share with another VGS user, in the Protocol Manager, select the protocol you want to export. Once it is highlighted, click the Export/Import button and select Export. The Export Protocol window appears displaying the desired protocol. Confirm the box next to the Include Associated Category list is checked and click Export. The download folder will open with the file showing in the file name box. Click Save. The .vgsp file can now be emailed or saved to your desktop or a USB thumb drive.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev Team at vgs.arizona.edu.